Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning all the smart tricks which actually make you smarter and help you calculate 10 times faster. I hope you are watching this series of videos in which I am putting up these basic mental maths tricks in which you are learning how you can save time during exams, and time is what matters the most in competitive exams. So what do we have in this video? So when you see this topic, addition using place values, it is an integral part of our ultimate guide to speed maths books. This trick actually is a base of so many mental maths tricks. So if you know how to add numbers mentally using place values, it is a skill. I'll demonstrate that in front of you when I complete this video. And let me first tell you that these things which I am putting up, they are all in the speed maths ultimate guide, which comes in two parts. And I'll just show you the glimpse of these two. This is volume number 1, where we have given 2400 practice questions, also 14 topics which every child studying in school must know are covered in this. Then we have the video links for ready reference, and NTSC, school Olympiads, SSC, banking, railways, other competitive exams, they are all very easily targeted when you study this. Similarly, we have volume number 2, 1300 practice questions, and if you are preparing for UPSC, CAT, MAT, CLAT, and you want 10 times faster speed of calculations, and you want something which has very easy language and comprehensive coverage of the topics, then these two are a must. I've written here my WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can send me a message. I'll tell you how to directly purchase this, or if you want this combo, look at this. This is the product which I'm talking about. You can see, and this is volume number 1 and this is volume number 2. So if I show you a glimpse of this book, look at this answer keys here, and if I show you some random page, it will have lots and lots of video links. Now that is the unique feature of the book. You can see a lot of QR codes you can scan and watch. So I'll tell you more about this book. The description contains the Amazon link also, if you want to purchase through Amazon. So friends, how this method of calculating or adding numbers using mental maths tricks works. Place value is really important. Now I'll take a very easy example of 87 plus say 68. Okay, now you should know your place values really well. The ones places 6 and 8, and you should be really good in single digit addition. So if you can add mentally the single digit numbers, job done. Nothing else has to be done, and all these things are going to be a cakewalk for you. So I'll show you how. See, the ones are 7 and 8, which is 15, and the tens are 8 and 6, which is 14 tens. So just the addition of the corresponding digits. Okay, 8 plus 6 is 14 tens, but since they are tens, I have to write 14 followed by a 0. Now this is the only thing in mental maths which matters. So as soon as you see this question 87 plus 68, what should come in your mind? 140 plus 15, and that is pretty easy. 140 plus 15, anybody can do that in the mind, which gives you 155, right? 155 as the answer. Sounds very easy, right? But when it comes to 3 numbers or even 4 numbers, then it becomes little tricky. But you should know your and believe in your skills. Let's see one more. Suppose I have to do 743 and I have to add 956 to this, right? Now I'll start with the hundreds place. Now 7 plus 9 is 16, because they are in the hundred place, so I'll put 2 zeros. 4 plus 5 is 9, because they are in tens place, so 9 followed by 1 0. And finally the ones place, 3 plus 6 is 9, and the simple answer for the question is 1699. See, no traditional multiplication, just the basic understanding of the place values will give you the answer. Likewise, if I show you another question like 1894 plus 476. Now see, The number of digits are different here, and so we need to be a little bit more careful. How? Here we have thousands. So 1 followed by 3 zeros, 1000, because here you don't have thousands. Here you have hundreds, 8 and 4, 12. So 12 followed by 2 zeros because they are hundreds. Now 9 and 7 is 16, right? And 16 are tens, so followed by a 0. And finally 6 plus 4, 10. I'll have to write it as it is. And now just add vertically. I'll get my answer. 2370 is the sum of these numbers. Likewise, if I have to add some maybe more than two numbers, let's see, suppose I have 384 and then 592 and then 656 and maybe a two-digit number, say 74, right? Now what do I do? Because no number is in thousands, so I'll start with the hundreds. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14. So 1400. Now coming on to the tens. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 7 is 29. 29 tens is 290. And finally the ones. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16, right? So 16 as it is. And here you have the answer 6. 10 means 0, 1 carry. So 7 and 1. 1706 is the sum of the numbers. Place value method. So friends, this is what is the wonder of this ultimate guide to speed maths. Already it has been launched for 1 month now, and hundreds of students, parents, teachers, they are pouring into book this amazing copy. And especially the summer vacation is going on, you know. So if you are a parent, gift your child this ultimate guide to speed maths. So friends, if you like this video of using the place values, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in speed maths and who are struggling in developing this competency of adding numbers mentally. It will surely help them. And try these 20-30 questions and let me know in the comments below. Is it working for you? All the best.